Okay, right now we have the phone with the headphones plugged in and it's playing. I'm sure you can hear. As soon as any disturbance at all to the headphone jack, it pops right out and it shuts off. Sometimes it pauses the video, but you just touch it and it goes out, and it's plugged in again. Just any sort of little touching and it does that. And if you do that over on an iPod or iPhone, go to the other one. Just plug it in, please. We can play something here.
Everybody gets high sometimes, you know.
It stays into the iPhone. I'm just pulling on it here. And you put it back into your other phone. It's really hard to get that headphone in and out of that iPhone like it should be. We'll turn the Bluboo back on. And we'll play this again. Just hold your hand underneath it. Yeah, like it. I just
all my recordings.
go for a sec. Just catch it when it falls. Just push play again on it. Okay. In a second it comes right out.